Good morning, my dear children of class 1. Early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. But how can we become very wise, healthy and wealthy? Because of our healthy diet. That means today we are going to learn about our food. Our food. If you eat healthy food, then we become very strong and healthy. So today we are going to learn about our food. We all eat food, but why do we eat food? We eat food because food gives us energy, helps us to grow and makes us healthy and strong. We need food to live and helps us to do different works like play, jump, run, walk, study, etc. There are two types of food. They are healthy food and unhealthy food. Healthy food. Healthy food makes us strong and keeps us healthy. If your health is good, you will be a happy person, right? For example, milk, vegetables, fruits, pulses, chapati, we can also call roti, right? This is chapatis, and rice. All these are healthy food, alright? So, unhealthy food or junk food. Unhealthy or junk food makes us fat and lazy. This type of food is not good for our health. It hampers our health. We must avoid junk food. We should eat junk food once or twice a week. For example, burger. Everybody is fond of eating burger. And pizza. It looks so yummy, right? Pizza. Then chips. Chips. Fries. Soft drinks. Chocolates. And all these are unhealthy or junk food. We should avoid eating unhealthy and junk food. Let us talk about meals. We eat 3 types of meals in a day, and they are as follows. Breakfast. Food that we eat in the morning is called breakfast. Then food, lunch, food that we eat in the afternoon. That is lunch. We eat food in the afternoon. And dinner, food we eat at night, and we should eat our dinner on time. So there are 3 types of meals. One is breakfast, another one is lunch and dinner. Let me tell you another thing, that is food that we eat between the breakfast and lunch is called brunch. Okay? So, healthy eating habits. As we already know about the healthy food and unhealthy food, let us learn about the healthy eating habits. Healthy food makes our healthy diet. Healthy food makes our healthy diet. We must not ignore eating healthy food. We need to eat home cooked food. One is we need to eat home cooked food. Eat lots of vegetables, fruits and drink plenty of water in a day. So remember, we need to eat home cooked food, eat lots of vegetables, fruits and drink plenty of water. And these are the healthy habits, healthy eating habits. These are healthy eating habits. Now, from where do we get our food? As we already know about healthy food or junk food or unhealthy food, but from where do we get? We get from plants and animals. We get food from plants and animals. So examples: rice, fruits, vegetables, pulses, chapatis, etc. We get them from plants. So milk, meat, fish, eggs are the food that we get from the animals. So here I end my chapter, that is chapter number 6 about our food. Thank you and God bless you.